Hello everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to the channel. Today we are bringing you a perfect recipe for your Christmas and our vegan meatballs. It will take us about an hour to prepare it and it serves 4. If you like the content guys, give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. And now, let's get started. Thank you guys for watching and I wish you and all your loved ones a happy Christmas. If you like the content guys, give us those thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to support us. If you have any questions or suggestions, let us know down in the comments below and see you next time. Happy Christmas.